Let's make over this pantry. When we moved into this little 70s fixer-upper, it had a tiny kitchen and no pantry, and I was determined to change that. We knocked down some walls and moved our kitchen, and that allowed us to add a pretty good-sized walk-in pantry, which is totally a dream. I framed out the walls with some 2x4s, and I started to add the drywall. Since we had a vaulted ceiling above and would have had some dead space up there after adding the ceiling, I decided I was going to make a little trapdoor through the drywall, and we added some plywood to make a little secret area up there where we could use it to hide Christmas presents in. It has been the best thing ever, and my kids still don't know about it. I built an arch for the doorway, and I finished up with the drywall, and then I mudded and taped everything. Then I got to building my shelving. I wanted to add a tall cabinet for my brooms, vacuum, and cleaning supplies on one side, and another tall cabinet for all of my small appliances on the other. I also wanted to make sure that we had space for a microwave and toaster, which means that we had to have a dedicated electrical outlet for it that went straight to the breaker box, which I had my father-in-law put in. I built out the rest of the shelving, and I made as many of them as I could to be adjustable. Before I added the countertop shelving, I painted and epoxied my countertops using a super durable, non-yellowing epoxy. The instructions and links for which can be found in my ebook in my link in profile. Once my countertops were in and cured, I was able to finish building the shelves, and then I turned everything out. I caulked, wood-filled, and painted, and we were in business. I loaded up with all of our food and some pretty containers with labels, of course, and it has been amazing for us. What do you think?